In this video, I'll show you the two different fuse box locations on your Mazda 5 minivan. So it's very easy. The first one is in the cabin. You need to go on the passenger side, right over here. So you need to open the door. Stick your fingers in this hole and pull this door. You don't need any tools. It's simply on clips. You see, there's clips. Okay, and on this side of this door, you're gonna find a fuse box diagram that will make your life much easier, since you'll be able to find the exact fuse you're looking for. And here is the first fuse box. Now for the second one, we need to pop the hood. So go ahead and pull the latch to pop the hood, and we'll go there right now. So this is under the hood, and the second fuse box is located right here. You may have a cover. Simply unlatch it by pushing the latch over here. It may be locked over there as well. Just push on that, pop the cover. You're gonna have a fuse box diagram on one side, and you're gonna have your second location right over here with some relays as well. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.